What is mindful eating?
Mindful eating means paying close attention to your food, your body, and your feelings during meals. It helps you focus on the present moment and make more thoughtful choices. This approach can improve digestion, reduce overeating, and increase your enjoyment of food. Anyone can start practicing mindful eating with small, simple steps each day.
Start with small portions.
Begin meals with smaller servings. This allows you to check in with your body before deciding to eat more. Eating less at first helps you notice when you're satisfied, rather than overeating out of habit. You can always take more if you're truly hungry, but starting small sets the stage for mindful choices.
Eliminate distractions at mealtime.
Try to eat without screens, like phones, TVs, or computers. Removing distractions makes it easier to pay attention to your meal and your body's hunger signals. Set your table, sit down, and focus on your food. Even a few distraction-free meals a week can build your mindful eating habit.
Chew slowly and notice flavors.
Take time to chew your food slowly. Notice the flavors, textures, and smells of each bite. Slowing down can help your brain register fullness and satisfaction. If you get distracted, gently bring your attention back to your meal. Savoring your food adds both enjoyment and mindfulness to the experience.
Check in with your body's signals.
Pause during meals to ask yourself if you're still hungry, comfortably satisfied, or full. This simple check-in helps you eat according to your needs instead of out of habit or emotion. Over time, you'll get better at recognizing your body's signals and responding in a healthy way.
Practice gratitude for your meal.
Before eating, take a short moment to appreciate your food. Think about where it came from, who prepared it, or how it will nourish your body. This small act of gratitude can help anchor you in the present and add a mindful touch to every meal.